Hello and welcome to Lloyd Jaguar Carlisle. Here we have for sale a lovely I-pace SE in grey. This particular one comes with gloss black alloy wheels. It also features privacy glass and a full ebony perforated leather upholstery throughout. This car also benefits from Meridian sound, memory seats which are heated as well. In the back we've got heated rear seats also, and of course a lovely glass panoramic roof. Moving into the boot, plenty of space of course, with under boot storage as well. You also get a powered tailgate and rear view camera also. Inside this lovely I-pace SE, you can see it's covered just 38,000 miles. It also comes with a heated steering wheel, lane assist, voice commands, selectable driving modes, heated front seats and rear seats as mentioned before. And of course you get the usual rear view camera and also satellite navigation, and a host of other features including DAB radio, your charging range as well, and also Apple CarPlay, Android Auto also. If this I-pace is of interest, please do get in touch with us. We offer competitive finance deals and part exchange as well. Also, the I-paces come with 24-month warranty, a home charger installation, and finance deposit contribution as well. Thanks for watching.